Right, so hello everyone, welcome to my Friday workshop. And in this Friday workshop, I will show you today the mind map and what is the overview of the workshop. So, first we'll know what are the course objective. So, in the course objective, we have we'll learn the objective of the course is to help you get 10x in your business and in your career. So this is the first objective to if you are in job or if you are in freelance, if you are a freelancer, if you are a businessman, entrepreneur, or if you are providing any services. So this workshop can really help you by knowing some important means on how you can scale online, and we will know some important digital marketing modules. So what are all the important digital marketing modules which we'll cover? So at first is the website. We'll see some ways on how we can create a website and how we can get our website ready fast and easy way. Then we'll learn a bit about SEO, how we can get some free organic results. We will learn Google Ads, how you can promote your business with paid ads. Then we will learn about the one of the important things, which is the social media. And social media will cover the three platforms, which is the Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And then the last thing which we'll learn is about the email marketing, which we'll see what are the important tools which can help us in email marketing. Okay. So now, as our objective is clear, that we will learn some important modules in digital marketing, and we'll also you will get to know how you can get tenants for your business or services. Okay. So now, what are the important things which you need to do for the workshop, which you need to know or which you need to do in the workshop? Is that we'll have some live classes, and you all know the timings have been shared to you in the WhatsApp group, so do check out and do attend the live classes. Don't miss it out. Do attend 5 minutes early so that you are all ready and ready to begin. You don't face any voice issues, or you can't see any screen. Make sure you join from the laptop, and so that will be really helpful, because as I'll be showing some presentation, and also if you are using laptop, then it will be quite helpful for you to understand. Then we will have the question and answer sessions in the WhatsApp group, and the group will be open for you all to um, share your questions, and you need to share your questions one by one, and we will make sure we answer all of them. And uh, the, the timings for the question and answer sessions which will be open have been shared to you in the WhatsApp group, so do check it out, and do make sure that you post your questions and get all your queries solved. Next, we have the assignments. This is the very important part. As you will be learning from the live classes, please make sure you do your assignments, and you need to post the assignments in the WhatsApp group. Again, the group will open for some time, like around 1 hour or something. So do check out on the timings which have been already given to you. So at that time, you need to submit your assignments, and please make sure you submit it. And for all you guys who submit your assignments, you will get the bonus ebooks. So please submit your assignments, because the ebooks which you will get is will be a very important part for you to get some more knowledge on how you can scale and how you can get more clients, right? So the next thing is the support, and for all of you who want some support or some detail, please make sure you email at the email ID, and that we will try our best to solve your support in 1 or 2 hours. This is something different from the question and answers which you have for the live class. So this is the support which you are requiring. So for that, you need to send an email on this email ID, right? And now, and last but not the least, what are the important things you need to remember? So you need to make sure that you need to keep your videos on during the live class. If you are traveling or uh, if you are traveling, then there is another thing, but please make sure you keep your videos on, so that it will be very easy for me, and also the webinar will be like the class, it for the class, like one-to-one interaction will be there, so it will be quite helpful for both of us. So please make sure you keep your videos on, and you also use your earphones, and you can use your earphones, because my audio might be, the volume might be quite low. So if you are using your earphones, it will be really very beneficial for you, and you can clearly hear what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to explain. Also, another important thing is, please please bring your notebook and pen, and note down some important things, um, because I will be lots of things are there which I will be sharing with you, and lots of value will be shared with you. So please make sure you note down the important things, and make sure you bring a notebook and pen ready. Okay, and that's it, guys. Join 5 minutes early, and also when you are joining in the live class, do please be interactive, and you can type, you can chat with us in the live class as well. So be interactive in the live class, and also if you have any question answers, please you post your questions when we open the group for question and answer sessions. Also submit your assignments when we'll open the group for the assignments. So do submit your assignment, and if you have any support, reach us, email us on the email ID, which we have, which is over here, the email ID. You can send us the email, and that's it. Join you in the live class. Hope you guys are excited and ready to learn. So see you in the live class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.